This presentation explores all-inclusive faith, how a unified view of reality contrasts with the illusion of fragmentation. Drawing on Chapter 17, Section 7 of A Course in Miracles, we will examine the mechanics of wholeness, why division is only apparent, and how this shift in perception transforms how we approach every situation. Truth requires faith. We are invited to trust that every situation, no matter how complex, forms a complete and meaningful whole. This is an active, practical stance, aligning with the Holy Spirit's purpose and assuming that clarity is already present. Wherever we genuinely set the goal of truth, faith must accompany it. We can look at reality through two lenses. The ego sees isolated fragments, believes in separation, and tries to manage each piece alone, creating conflict that cannot be solved. The Holy Spirit sees an unbroken whole, holds all-inclusive faith, and recognizes that everyone involved plays a necessary role, ensuring true accomplishment. Fragmentation follows a predictable sequence. First, we lack faith, believing the situation demands more than we have. Next, we refuse wholeness, denying that it is one unified event. Then we isolate pieces and attempt to handle them separately. Finally, we fall into a trap. We place our faith in separation itself, so the conflict persists. When faith is weak, the mind assumes the problem and the solution are in different places. We then search for substitutes, alternative issues, people, or contexts to blame or fix. In doing so, we overlook a key principle. The real problem and its resolution actually coexist in the same situation, awaiting a change in perception. Removing a problem from its true context guarantees we keep it. Once the problem is displaced, it appears separate from its source and from the solution. This combination, displaced problem plus separation from source, creates an unsolvable state. Our understanding is blocked, and we may no longer even recognize what the real issue is. Accomplishment becomes inevitable when faith is restored. If we had not doubted that the problem could be solved, it would already be resolved. All-inclusive faith treats the situation only as a complete whole. Because the whole is preserved, no one's role is excluded, and the successful outcome is fully assured for everyone involved. The final insight is straightforward. The solution and the problem are in the same place. Our task is not to move or redefine the problem, but to remain with it in faith until its meaning shifts. By staying present, we allow the inherent solution to emerge from within the very situation we once believed was fragmented.